Hello friends, welcome back to another session of my financial predictions. Today is the 16th of June. So just like I told you guys, this is the very beginning of this week. I don't believe it's going to be a very good week. It's possibly going to be a red week, meaning that we'll see mostly just corrections. The previous market day, Friday the 13th, we got a very strong impulse. I talk about this. It was very likely because I forecasted a very strong pump around either the 12th or the 13th of June. So we got it on the Friday. Today, Monday, basically a complete range. A very boring day for Tesla. You can see it basically it's less than 1%, so not even worth talking about today. So tomorrow is going to be possibly the most volatile day. There's also the possibility of seeing the 18 as slightly volatile. So it's going to be really up for the grabs. I mean, anything can happen in these days, but I truly believe it's not going to be as good of a week as the previous one. Okay, you know, all of the crazy stuff happening in the Middle East right now. I truly feel that it could be the start of some certain volatility in the markets. I really don't believe this is going to be the end of the world. And I really cannot talk about this because this is not a geopolitical channel. Okay, I can make geopolitical predictions, but it's not my cup of tea to talk about this on my finance channel. So if you want to see that, maybe just follow my Twitter account, because I'm also hesitant to actually do that kind of predictions. It could get me in the focus of some stuff. So just want to keep with this financial stuff right now. I'm also very busy, so yeah, I don't really have much time to actually do that kind of predictions. I mean, you have to realize that it will take me basically every single day of my life to actually do and try to stay ahead of these events. So what we can see is that Tesla is overall a very it was a very positive Friday, and today we got a range. So if we try to look at the index, the SP 500, which is the other prediction that I have for this month of June, you can see that it shares the complete range today. Again, you can see it's another complete range, very boring day. But the only exception was that the markets were kind of bad on Friday. Okay, we're talking about 0.40%, something like this. You can see Tesla was the complete opposite. It was a very green day for Tesla. So you can see right now the markets overall had a very bad Friday compared to just Tesla. So I believe Tesla does have some stuff going for it, because even though it crashed massively after December and January, it is recovering. It is offering very profitable opportunities, and it's also a very key industry in the future. Okay, you know, all these cars, Tesla, Starlink, all of that. Even though it's not related, just the fact that because of Elon Musk, it will be something to keep in mind. So for the SP 500, again, I predicted a yellow day, which yellow always means either volatility or range. So we got a very a very range day, very boring day. But I see corrections coming, 17 or 18. And also possibly there's the possibility of seeing consecutive corrections, because we have a red box, which means to expect a very strong correction on one of these days from the range of days. Okay, it could happen on the 18, 19 or 20. And again, because we also have a red circle right here, assuming that it could be 17 or 18, both of these 2 days on the red, or 18 and 19. Okay, so you need to be prepared, because the economy will see some hits this week right now as we are opening. Today is Monday, so it's basically the start of this week. So be prepared to see this does look like some kind of calm before the storm kind of thing. So be prepared, guys. Okay, it's again not the end of the world. I don't really think this is the start of something greater than just what's going on with the Middle East, but you need to keep an eye on, especially if you live in Europe or the US. Okay, if you live elsewhere, especially in those areas where it's they're going to be the beacons of civilization if such a thing were to happen. You don't really have to worry much about it. So, having said that, guys, that's all I have for you. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Follow me on all my social medias. Don't miss any of my information. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.